Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm gonna be installing the paddle shifter. I got the magnetic ones, and yeah, that's gonna be today's video. And I got them right here. I'm gonna be installing them. I already disconnected the battery, make sure it's disconnected, and yeah, I'm gonna get started with that stuff right now, and I'm gonna show you guys the process. Rag is out. So what you have to do is you have to get like a Allen key or something that is flat, and then there's two holes over here, and then there's some springs, and you just kind of push on it, and I'm gonna show you guys where is it. You see those springs right there? That's where you gotta push so both of them can come out. So you gotta get one side out and then the other side out. So these other pins over here, I'm gonna show you guys. So the holes are over here, and then you just kind of push on it, and that's on both sides. So you just gotta get one side out first, and then you get the other side out, and then you get the airbag out. So this is the airbag connection, get it off. Well, next step, you gotta get these out. So this one and this one out, and then the one behind over here. So they all T20. So I have this one has a T20, so I'm gonna get them all out right now. So the plastic is off now. So next, what you gotta do, these are the paddle shifter screws, so they the same T20. So you gotta get them out, both of them, and then the clip is over here for the shifter selectors. Right over there, there's one over there, which is super hard to get, but yeah, those are the ones that you gotta get out. So I have the stock one out already. So all you gotta do is use the connectors is there. So all you gotta do is just hold in each side and just pull it, and that's it. So the magnetic one is on. It comes with different screws, so don't put the old screw, the OEM screws. It comes with screws already just for that. And there's somewhere. So it's already connected, and let's hear the click. Ooh, damn, that sounds crazy. Sounds like a race car. The magnetic one is already on, and it comes with different screws, so don't put the old screws in. They come with screws already over here, so make sure you put the new screws that come with the kit, and then you just plug it in and then move on to the next one. So both sides are on already. That sounds insane. Both sides are. Wow. The airbag is over here. Now I gotta install it, put the clip in, and all that. So this piece is on already. The other plastic, you gotta put this piece, the last piece, until everything is back on, and then now it's just the airbag to put on, and that's it. Everything is back on, airbag, everything is good. And now you just gotta turn on the car, make sure everything is working fine. You just gotta put the battery back on, and yeah, get back to you guys once everything is done. The car is finally on now, and everything works. Everything is working how it's supposed to work. Yes, I have a passenger airbag on for the seat. I got the seat wet. Your seat got wet. So the sunroof, you know how the sunroof has these pipes that go down to so the water can go out, and they were all clogged, and both of them were clogged, both sides were clogged, but the most damage it was on the passenger. So water got on top of the seat all night. It was raining a lot, like crazy, and the whole seat got wet. Carpet got wet, everything got wet. So I dried everything up. I put the heat all the way up, put blowers, everything, and still to this day, the light hasn't left, and it's been already about a month, I will say, about that. And I disconnect the battery, and everything's still not working. So I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna have to get a new passenger seat, just because I'm pretty sure that the sensors got messed up or something from the water. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me installing the magnetic shifters, and I'll get some clips in of me driving the car so you guys can hear it and all that. But I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I got more videos coming in about the car, so yeah, I'll see you guys soon.